In 1923, a single mouse built an empire. It was a kingdom of dreams, fueled by imagination and an unbreakable promise of magic. But a century later, the magic is fading. The kingdom is under siege, not by rivals, but by its own weight. Billions are vanishing, and the castle is beginning to crack. Welcome to Wealth Wound. Today, we perform a financial autopsy on the most famous brand in history. This is the anatomy of a dying dream. This is Disney. For decades, Disney's formula was simple. Make a movie, sell it to theaters, and collect the profit. But in 2019, they decided to change the rules of the game. They launched Disney Plus, a direct challenge to Netflix. It looked like a victory at first. The goal was growth at any cost. They spent billions on content, chasing subscribers like a ghost in the dark. But the math didn't add up. By 2024, the streaming war had turned into a financial massacre. Disney Plus wasn't just a service anymore. It was a wound that wouldn't stop bleeding. To keep the machine running, Disney poured money into franchises that once defined pop culture: Marvel, Star Wars, Pixar. But quantity began to kill quality. The magic was being mass-produced, and the audience was getting tired. The biggest blow came from a place they least expected: India. After losing the streaming rights to IPL cricket, Disney Plus lost millions of subscribers in a single quarter. It wasn't just a dip. It was a mass exodus. The crown jewel of their global expansion was suddenly empty. For generations, Disneyland was marketed as the happiest place on Earth, a physical sanctuary where families could escape reality. But in recent years, reality caught up. The happiest place on Earth became the most expensive. Ticket prices skyrocketed, premium passes were altered, and even the simplest family vacation became a luxury corporate trap. Disney thought their fans would pay anything for nostalgia. They were wrong. As attendance began to dip, the corporate giants realized a painful truth. When you price out the middle class, you empty the kingdom. Disney built an empire on the rarest commodity in the world: pure, unadulterated nostalgia. But when a business forgets how to create magic and only learns how to exploit it, the foundation begins to crumble. The bleeding hasn't stopped, and the bill is finally coming due. Every empire has its price. Every fortune leaves a scar. Subscribe to Wealth Wound and turn on notifications, because the operating table is ready, and we are just getting started. See you in the next investigation.